All right, everyone. Here we go, page 252 and 253. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so we're on 9.5. It says adverb clauses, future conditional. Remember, we're doing the if something, then something else will happen, right? So if you study hard, you will pass the test. Okay. Here we go. We're going to go down to 4. Circle the correct form of the verbs to complete each sentence. So, number 1, if a dolphin finds food, it will call other dolphins. Okay? Number 2, if humans make a lot of noise, whales and dolphins will lose contact with each other. Dolphins and whales will continue to have problems if we don't do anything to help them. Number 4, did I say that already? If scientists blank find a solution to the problem, the situation will get worse. If they don't or do not. Number 5, if you blank that documentary, you blank a lot about dolphins. If you watch that documentary, you will learn. So if you watch, you will learn. We blank late for class if we blank now. We will be late for class if we don't leave now. Number 7, Carol will get good grades if she keeps working hard. And number 8, Tony blank me with my assignment this weekend if blank time. Will help me with my assignment this weekend if he has time. Okay. Good. Now we're going to go on to section 5. Complete each sentence with the simple present or a future form of the verbs in parentheses. So, if I go on the boat trip, I will bring my new camera. Number 2, if you blank trouble with your homework, I blank you. If you have trouble with your homework, I will help you. Number 3, if it blank a lot tonight, we blank class tomorrow. If it snows a lot tonight, we will not have class tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Number 4, if the bank blank me back, I blank angry. If the blank, and it's not call, so we need to use the negative, does not call or doesn't call me back, I will be angry. Number 5, if she blank to Singapore, she blank with her cousin. If she goes to Singapore, she will stay with her cousin. Number 6, you blank the bus if you not hurry. You will miss the bus if you negative do not hurry or don't hurry. Number 7, if the tickets blank too expensive, I blank to the concert. If the tickets are too expensive, I will not go to the concert. And number 8, if you blank to go downtown, I blank you. If you want to go downtown, I will drive you. Okay? Cool. And then we're going to do the next part. We're going to skip so you can cross out the speaking section because you do not have a partner. If you want to practice it, you can. But we're going to skip it. So now we're down to 9.6 where it says adverb clauses if and when. If we see a bear, I will be scared. When they go hiking tomorrow, they will take a lot of pictures. Okay? Use if in the adverb clause to talk about situations or events that you think are possible, but you're not certain. Use when to talk about situations that you are certain about or that will happen for sure. And you want to use a comma if you start with if or when. So if I go to the store, comma, or when I go to the store, comma. If you do it the other way, for example, I will drink coffee when I go to the store, you do not need a comma. Okay? So read number 7. Read each sentence. Does it describe a situation or event in the future that is certain or not certain? Complete the second sentence with an if or when clause and add a comma if necessary. Maybe the dolphin will swim too close to the shore. So, example is, if the dolphin swims too close to the shore, it will have problems. Maybe the whale will come near the boat. If the whale comes near the boat, and because we started the sentence with if, right here we need to put a comma. If the whale comes near the boat, comma, we will get some great photos. Okay, next page, number 3. I'm going to see Ray. I will show him the photos from our trip. We can use if or when. When I see Ray, capitalize Ray, comma, I will show him the photos from our trip. Number 4. Maybe Noor will leave her job. I will be surprised if Noor leaves her job. And here we're going to use if instead of when because we're not sure if it's going to happen. They'll be surprised if it happens. If they were certain it was going to happen, they would say when, but they're not sure. Okay. Number 5, my parents are going to Paris. My parents are going to visit the Eiffel Tower. They are going to do it. We know for sure. So do we use if or when? We're going to use when. My parents are going to visit the Eiffel Tower. When what? When they go to where? Paris. Capitalize Paris. The lecture is going to end soon. I'll try to talk to the professor. It's going to end soon, okay? So, when the lecture ends, and because we started the sentence with when, what do we put right here? A comma. I will try to talk to the professor. Number 7. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. So if it's a maybe and we're not sure, do we use if or when? Good. Because I'm assuming every single one of you said if. So, if it rains tomorrow, what? Comma, because we started with if. And number 8, my brother is going to graduate. He's going to work for my uncle. It's certainly going to happen. So, when my brother, what? Graduates. When, we started with the when, so what do we need to put before the second half of the sentence? A comma. Boom. Very good, very good. All right. So that is all that I'm going to do for you for this section. And I want you to do practice 8, the conversation between Ivan and Meg, all by yourself. Okay? And then the next section, 255, I also want you to do that all by yourself. And this concludes the week 1 distance learning Cheers to all of you. Good day.